Detailed garment construction and sewing instructions. The picture shows the front and back construction details of a technical garment pant including pocket construction, bar tacks, elastic support stitching, opening closure, and hem leg finishing. The sewing operations should be followed carefully according to the indicated stitch types, seam distances, and operation numbers. 1. Inside pocket right side only. An inside pocket is provided only on the right side of the garment. The pocket bag should be correctly positioned inside the garment. A 5 cm securing stitch is required to fix the pocket bag. This securing stitch should follow the button seam at 0.7 cm. The pocket area must be reinforced with the specified bar tack. Pocket detail F. Stitch distance 0.7 cm. Additional distance indicated 0.6 cm. Sewing operation references 514, 301, 602. Ensure the pocket construction is clean and symmetrical where applicable. The pocket bag must not twist or interfere with the garment opening. 2. Upper pocket opening bar tack. Several bar tacks are indicated around the upper pocket opening area. Bar tack length position 0.7 cm. The bar tack must be placed accurately at the indicated stress points. These bar tacks are used to reinforce the pocket opening area and prevent seam failure during wear. The bar tack should be neat, securely locked, and free from loose threads. 3. Under opening pocket closed. The drawing specifically indicates under opening pocket closed. The pocket opening underneath the upper opening must be closed securely. Sewing operation reference 301. The closure must be clean and should not create excessive bulk. Make sure the pocket does not accidentally remain open after sewing. 4. Elastic support stitch on belt detail A. The waistband belt area contains an elastic support construction. The instruction says, support stitch of elastic on the belt. Construction requirements. Operation references 401, 514, 406. The elastic must be securely attached to the belt waistband. The elastic support stitching should be positioned accurately according to the technical drawing. Measurements. Upper indicated distance 1 cm. Lower indicated distance 0.7 cm. The elastic must remain properly aligned and should not twist during sewing. Quality requirements. Elastic must have sufficient freedom to stretch. Stitching must securely hold the elastic without damaging it. Avoid excessive tension while attaching the elastic. Ensure the waistband remains flat and comfortable. 5. Bar tack 304. Fix the fish string. At the back waistband area, the drawing indicates bar tack 304 to fix the fish string. Operation bar tack 304. Purpose to secure fix the fish string attachment. The bar tack must be positioned at the indicated point on the waistband. The bar tack must firmly hold the string so that it cannot pull out during use. The waistband stitching should remain clean and straight around this area. 6. Detail E. Lower leg hem reinforcement. Detail E shows another reinforcement stitching construction. Measurements. Main indicated stitch distance 0.7 cm. Additional indicated distance 0.1 cm. Operation references 514, 301. The sewing must be performed accurately to maintain the required construction and reinforcement. Quality points. Maintain the 0.7 cm stitching position consistently. Ensure the reinforcement is properly secured. Avoid puckering around the seam. Thread tension should be balanced. 7. Lower leg bar tack. A bar tack is shown on the lower leg area. The bar tack must be positioned exactly according to the technical drawing. It is intended to reinforce a high-stress area. The bar tack should have consistent density and length. Loose threads must be trimmed after sewing. The reinforcement should not distort the leg shape. 8. Detail G, lower leg construction. Detail G represents the lower leg construction. Operation references 504, 301. The lower leg must be assembled according to the specified sewing sequence. Important points. Maintain the correct seam allowance. Keep the leg seam straight. Make sure the lower leg construction is properly secured. Avoid twisting of the leg panel during assembly. The final appearance should be smooth and clean. 9. Front garment construction. The front technical drawing shows upper waistband belt construction, right side inside pocket, pocket bag attachment, pocket opening, bar tack reinforcement, front leg construction, lower leg reinforcement, elastic related construction. The front pocket must be correctly positioned and securely attached before closing the surrounding seams. 10. Back garment construction. The back drawing shows waistband belt, elastic support, bar tack 304 for fixing the fish string, back leg panels, horizontal construction seams, lower leg construction, lower leg reinforcement bar tack. The back waistband must remain smooth after sewing, and the string attachment must be securely reinforced. 11. Stitch and operation references. The technical drawing contains the following operation numbers. Operation application 301 closing standard sewing operation, 304 bar tack to fix the fish string, 401 elastic support stitching on belt, 406 elastic related sewing support operation, 504 lower leg construction, 514 reinforcement attachment sewing, 602 inside pocket construction, 12 critical quality control points. Before approving the garment, check the following. Right side inside pocket only. Ensure no inside pocket is incorrectly added to the left side. Pocket bag must be fixed with the specified 5 cm securing stitch. Pocket securing stitch must follow the button seam at 0.7 cm. All specified 0.7 cm bar tacks stitch positions must be maintained. Under opening pocket must be completely closed. Elastic must be securely supported on the waistband. Maintain the indicated 1 cm and 0.7 cm measurements in detail A. Bar tack 304 must securely fix the fish string. Lower leg reinforcement must follow details E and G. Maintain the specified 0.7 cm and 0.1 cm positions. No loose threads, skipped stitches, broken stitches, puckering, or seam distortion. All bar tacks must be strong, clean, and correctly positioned. The waistband and leg seams must remain straight and smooth. Final garment must be checked against the technical drawing before bulk production. Professional production note. All sewing operations, stitch positions, bar tacks, seam allowances, and reinforcement points must strictly follow the technical drawing. Special attention should be given to the right side inside pocket, elastic support on the waistband, fish string bar tack, and lower leg reinforcement, as these are important functional and stress-bearing areas of the garment.
আজ এই পর্যন্তই। আবার দেখা হবে নতুন একটি ভিডিও নিয়ে। সাথে থাকুন। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে। ইউটিউব ভিডিও এন্ডিং সাজেশন। ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই লাইক, কমেন্ট এবং শেয়ার করবেন। আর লেকট্রা মোদারিসের আরও অ্যাডভান্স টিউটোরিয়াল পেতে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি অন করে রাখুন।